So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to update the third party apps on the FireStick. So guys, if you want to update the third party app on the FireStick, so guys, it is very simple. But the thing is that we do not have any specified app store and play store. So guys, the process of updating any third party app, so guys, you can go the official website which app you want to install. Okay, so guys, for example, I am trying to update my BTV. Okay, so first of all you can install the downloader, okay, from your app store. Okay, so guys, you can search in the search list. Okay, so here you can search downloader. So after searching the downloader, you can see your app is now open and it is showing here. So guys, you can click here. So guys, I am already downloaded, so that's why it's showing the directly open and do not show any installation option. So before if you are the new one who install the new downloader, so guys, you need to install. Okay, so guys, let's start. So guys, here I am entered the code which I am using to install the BTV. Okay, so guys, you can here go to the BTV official website and you also use the code. So you can, if you having the code, so you use the code, but I am going to the website. So guys, the website name is firetricks.com, firestick.com slash, here you can get forward slash, here you can get the forward slash, then slash B. So you can get, here you can enter B. Then guys, you can press on the go icon and you can redirect on the website of the FireTricks. Okay, so here is not a B app, there are also a lot of apps. So you can go here and you can find. So guys, there is a problem with the FireStick website, so you also use the Troypoint.com. okay, so you can open. So I am saving this in my favorite, so I'm directly open because we have also the option for saving our favorite website in the downloader. Okay, so you can wait, your file is opening. Now guys, we are on the page of the Troypoint. So guys, here you can see there is the versions, different type of version. Okay, so guys, for example, this is the Kodi version 20.2, here is the 2.03, and here is 2.05, 2.04, and here is 2.1 omega stable release. So guys, these are the different versions of any software, okay, on the Troypoint website. So guys, you can according to your support as well as your device requirement. If your devices want to new updates, so guys, you can update the new version. For example, if you already installed 3.1 version of your IPTV, so guys, here you can get the another upgrade version. Here you can see, for example, TV 2.70 version, here is the upgrade version 5.020. so guys, you can download the upgrade version from the official website as well as the any other website. So this is the process how we can update any application in our FireStick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.